yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and install my little Acuity shift bushings. Okay, so I move that. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think that did anything, but I gotta remove this whole thing out. I had to get a little smaller screwdriver. See if y'all can see this. So me taking that little clip out didn't do no good. Let's see what this thing look like. And I ain't do them a tag. Like once you pull these jokers out, I tell you what, they tie up though. So you gotta have a replacement one. So I'll show y'all this ratchet process. I promise y'all there's probably a better way of doing this. But I'm gonna be honest, I don't know it. I got that out. This is obviously the bigger one. It says this side down, so it's gonna face this way. I am going to put like literally just a little bit of this here grease around there. I think this will make it easier for me to actually be able to slide it in there. Got these clips here. Let me read the instructions. Go to the actual website that was on the box here, which is Acuity instruments.com and install. So what it is, it shows all the vehicles that it's for, and then when you click on this, it's gonna take you to actually YouTube. But here we got the clips, the 2 clips to put back on, and they got 2 retaining clips. This right here, because of the shape of it, top side is gonna be fatter. The bottom side, it has a little slit here, and that's where this thing on this little clip gonna go in. But first, let's go into here. Let's go ahead and put this big one on first. So like I said, this side down. Yeah, so slide in there like that. Okay. There. And make sure I push it down. Not good enough. Make sure you get it all the way down. I got all this stuff loose too. I just don't want to damage nothing.
You gotta walk this kind of walk this clip around. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'll start there. Kind of just. Oh, okay, there it is.
So that's that one. Now let's deal with the smaller one. The smaller one has this clip is a little it has multiple layers on this clip here. Slide it in there. Let me put a little grease in here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Slide that in there. These things are sturdy, man. I tell you that much. My other one was loose as a goose in there. You see, like I said, it's multi-layered. So I'm gonna start with this here first, and then I'm gonna kind of walk it around. See if I can make that make sense. Oh yeah. Yeah, there it is. I don't know if y'all heard it, so let me put these on. Set that right there, and then I bolt my thing down. I'm gonna use these new clips, these new Carter pins they gave me. Put on her.
Snap 1. Snap 2. I'm so slow. There we go. Alright, that's how to install those juke joints. I'm gonna put my 3 bolts back in the shift lever. There it is.